Yes, good morning. My name is DJ. Welcome on Financial Wealth. Financial Wealth is a platform that we use to help you to generate income online. So now I will say generate more revenue and work from home. And today I have 6 steps I'm going to show you to make money just on your telephone, on your app, on your tablets, on your desktop, which is your own or home computer. Okay, so as we've been following, we're gonna go to google.com. google.com. Let's doing it. Okay, so we're gonna go to google.com as you've been in. So now we're going to Google and type Casino Mariana Slots. Casino Mariana Slots. And then first thing you do, you will download it to your cell phone. You go to Google app or Google Play or Apple Store from your iPhone. The same on your iPad, on your tablets, and download it. After you download that, it's gonna give you a hint of what we're doing. Okay, so as you know that we've been doing this, I want you to follow until the end, and you're gonna get all the hints that you need to get your business to the next level. Alright, let's continue. So you can scroll down here. You see this app is a game that you can play in your hobby and your hobby time, and you make money for you and your family. Okay, so I have one more called Fun Steps. Fun Steps is like a globe, but you still walk over it and making money for yourself, and it helps you to exercise better. As you can see the way this exercising, and you get the distance of exercise, control your steps, and you're gonna have more. You're gonna be healthier and making more money. Okay, so the third one called CoinJoy. CoinJoy is another app that we play, that you download on your cell phone or on your app and get easy play, easy money. Okay, so there is one more called Cash Carnival Coin Pusher game. The same thing, you're gonna play games, you download it, and then you start making money immediately. Casino Carnival Pusher. Okay, the same way you see it right here, that's the way you're gonna write it for yourself. Okay, Solitaire Go, Streak Picks, the same thing. You're going to do and start generate money for you and your own self. And I will give you one more that can generate you money over and over and over. How do you call it? I'm coming with its name for you right now. This one, it's called Funds Task Quiz. Okay, fun. Let me go back. I will have to type it. Fun Task Quiz. Okay, not quiz but quiz. I'm gonna get the E. I'm gonna put AZE, quiz. Okay, so enter. Fun Task Quiz. Okay, it's loading. Just give it some time to go through, and I know for sure it's going to go through. Alright, let's try it another way so it doesn't work fun task quiz. Fun task quiz. It show up here. I'm gonna click on it. Fun task quiz. This app is a perfect app that's going to help you along the way. Alright, right here. It's loading still. As you see in it, that's how it's gonna work, but it's so weird. But the internet has a problem. Let me try to fix that a little bit. If it fix, it fix. If it's not fix, so we fix that after. I'm sorry about it. It says no internet. I'm not sure. I'm double check on it to see what's going on. Five steps to make money on your phone, on your tablets or your computer. But I want you to follow to the end. I have some hint for you so we can just do it together. So do not forget to subscribe or like the video. It's still not working. Or share it with some friends. Alright, so now I think you see even if you do not have any friends, you can share it to your profile or your status. So okay. The same thing you're gonna do, now loading it to your telephone. Let's get started. We're gonna go to google.com that I had for you. After google.com is showed up, and then we're gonna search for the apps that I'm gonna just see right now.